Greetings in the name of the Most High, Jah Rastafari. You know I'm Rastafari soldier, yes. And thank you for tuning in. Yes, I'm the Crocus Bag Farmer. I'm here in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, looking at a native natural plant. What we have here is the Sweetsop tree. As you see, this tree is blossoming and it's getting ready to bear fruit. The tree is a majestic tree. As you see, it spreads so it could provide foliage, limbs for its fruit. All these little pod-like things that are opening right here are the blossoms, are the fruits. So that's why I wanted to take the chance to show you this Sweetsop tree, one of Jamaica's most favorite fruit. I'm going to circle around and see if I could find this Sweetsop, a young one that's bearing, so we can get a look at them. As you see, those are the dry ones. I haven't seen one. All right, here's a young Sweetsop right here. As you see, they grow about fist side and they're sweet, milky, with seeds in it. So just remember, I'm the Crocus Bag Farmer. Just remember, this is a Sweetsop tree. You are in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, where the natural meadows roll, where the hills hug the corners of the beach, and the birds serenade you with their beautiful voice. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Yeah, I'm Rastafari soldier, red, green, and golder. You know I'm bolder. You're looking at Jamaica's national landmark right there, Holland Bamboo. Blessings.